This is why some airports like Heathrow, Madeira, or Hong Kong's Old Kai Tak are infamous for their landings. The wind there doesn't play nice. And now that you understand how crosswinds work and why wind shear is a whole different beast, let's take a look at some real footage. Starting with a landing so sketchy, even the pilots were sweating. This was a very scary landing. The pilots had little time to react to the changing crosswind and huge wind gusts. They got the aeroplane under control using the rudder and heavy braking.